Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my pupils. As usual, I hope you are ready for today's lesson. So we are going to continue with our report writing, and today we are going to do a writing task on page 123. So this task sheet, okay, is taken from your textbook, page 123. I make it simpler for you to see. Okay, so report writing, page 1 to 3, the task F. Read the writing task below and discuss the questions that follow in pairs or groups. But now you have to do it individually. Okay, the question is, your teacher has asked you to write a report about your classroom and suggest ways in which you could make it more pleasant. More pleasant mean lebih baik, lebih nyaman, lebih ceria. Okay, okay. Cadangkan langkah untuk menjadikan kelas anda lebih ceria, lebih menarik. So, there are 3 questions for you to answer, and to make your life easier, I have provided the answers. Okay, question number 1. Think about your classroom. What 2 or 3 features do you want to focus on? Okay, tengok pada kelas anda sendiri. Apakah 2 atau 3 ciri-ciri yang anda mahu tumpukan, fokus? Okay, so the answer, the seating arrangements, plan atur kedudukan meja, kerusi meja, the walls, dinding, and plants, tanam-tanam, tumbuhan. Okay, number 2. What heading would you use for each of the features you have chosen? Apakah subheading ataupun tajuk tajuk kecil, okay, yang anda akan gunakan untuk setiap ciri-ciri yang dipilih. Okay, so we have 3 subtopic or headings here: seating arrangements, more colors, okay, more color or art walls, and green corner. Okay, number 3. What specific suggestion do you have to make about each of these features? Apakah cadangan yang lebih spesifik yang anda mahu buat untuk setiap ciri-ciri berikut? So for seating arrangement, okay, the specific or the details are, the desk can be arranged in such a way so that students can sit in groups or in a large circle. So number 3, here are the guidelines, panduan or framework for your report. You just need to elaborate or expand, okay, the sample, the sentences given here, and the headings are given already. Okay, seating arrangement, more color or art wall, and green corner. So in your report, you need to have 5 paragraph. Okay, introductions, okay, the 3 headings, and conclusion. Yeah, so you just follow the sample report given in your textbook. Okay, heading number 2, more color or art wall. The walls, dinding, can be painted different pastel or light colors to create a warm atmosphere. Okay, different visual materials such as posters and photographs can be used to create an art wall. Gunakan gambar atau poster untuk membuat dinding sini. Students can even display their own creations here. So you students, you can also show your own drawings, your own posters, okay, your own arts there. For green corner, sudut hijau, plants, tanaman can be bought to be put in a corner of the classroom. Boleh beli tanaman, maybe you can buy from nursery nearby, or you can buy plastic flowers from eco shop to decorate your classroom. Students can take turns ambil giliran to be responsible for them, untuk bertanggungjawab terhadap tanaman-tanaman berikut. So the contents are given. You just need to rearrange, elaborate, add there and then. Okay, next one. G. Now write your report using your ideas from the activity above. Sekarang tuliskan laporan yang sepenuhnya berdasarkan kepada isi yang telah diberikan. Yeah. Plan. When writing a report, follow the plans below. Number 1, write the following at the top. Okay. Tuliskan mengikut format ini: to, from, and subject. Next one, introduction. State what the report is about. Use phrases like, nyatakan apakah tujuan laporan itu dibuat. Gunakan frasa seperti berikut. Okay. Number 3, main part. 2 to 4 paragraph, 2 hingga 4 perenggan. Give information and expand on the points you want to make. Make recommendation or suggestion. Berikan maklumat dan kembangkan isi yang kamu mahu sampaikan. Okay. Make recommendation or suggestion, buat cadangan. Conclusion, penutup. State your overall impression or opinion. Nyatakan pendapat keseluruhan anda. Gunakan frasa seperti all in all, to sum up, on the whole, in conclusion, in my opinion, from my point of view. Okay, so there are some tips here. You may read on your own. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.